This board is your brain. It reads inputs, makes decisions, and controls outputs. These 14 analog pins on the top are digital, on or off, like a light. These 6 pins on the bottom right are analog pins. They read a range of values like a dimmer switch. See that squiggle next to some of these pins on the top? Over here. Those are PWM, pulse width modulations. They let you dim LEDs and control motor speed. 5 volt and ground. These are your power and ground. Every circuit needs these, otherwise it won't be a complete circuit. The USB port on the top over here. That's how code gets into your into the Arduino from your laptop. And this chip in the middle, that's the brain. It reads all the code that gets in from your laptop. Arduino UNO R3, R4 Wi-Fi, and Arduino UNO R4 Minima are all the same layout, except some internals might get upgraded. That's the Arduino UNO, every pin in 60 seconds. Part 3 is the breadboard. Follow along.